Section 1. Sailor step. Left foot behind, side, side. Weave step. Right foot behind, side, cross. Left quarter turn left foot, forward. Left quarter turn 2 count sweep. 3 quarter turn twinkle. Right foot cross. Right quarter turn left foot back. Right half turn forward. Facing 3 o'clock. Sectional count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2. Left foot, forward step, right half turn, weight on left foot, twinkle step, right foot, cross, side step, far away diamond, left foot, cross, side, left 1/8 on left foot, back, right foot, back, left 1/8 on left side, left 1/8 on forward, facing 430. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3. Left foot, forward step, left half turn right foot, hitch. Right foot, back, left foot, hook, hold. Twinkle step, left foot, cross, side, step. Right foot, cross, right 1/8 left side, step, facing 12 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 4. Weave step. Left foot, cross, side, behind, right quarter turn, forward, right quarter turn, left foot, 2 count sweep, forward 2 count sweep, forward 2 count sweep, facing 6 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 5. Far away diamond. Left foot, cross, side, left 1/8 on left foot back. Right foot back, left 1/8 on side, left 1/8 on forward. Left foot, forward, left 1/8 on side, left 1/8 on back. Right foot back, left 1/8 on side, forward, facing 9 o'clock. Section 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 6. Left foot, forward step, left quarter turn, right foot point, hold. Right quarter turn step, right quarter turn, left foot point, hold. Left quarter turn, left foot step, left quarter turn 2 count sweep. Right foot, cross rock, recover, side, facing 6 o'clock. Section 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Full count. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.